ya yewoye gondeliomenye gondeliomenye
Moshavikandu kanje enaranje wami Zenaune ndino ndimatiri hongo pamwe okuvara oimwe nu oimwe sha imwe oimwe ombari 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 ondatu 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 oine 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 ondano 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 ohamboumwe 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 ohambombari 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 ohambondatu 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 omuvyu 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 omurongo 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 rukwao oimwe ombari ondatu oine ondano ohamboumwe ohambombari ohambondatu omuvyu omurongo. Yay! Wavara nawa shinene ritonena maki. Thank you guys for watching. If you like content like this, please comment below, like, subscribe and share with others. And if there are more topics that you want your kids to learn, just comment below and I will make more videos like this. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.